Do you know what this tab is for in Xcode? Well, in this video, we'll answer that question, okay? If I come here, let's say I'm working on this slide, okay? So this is on my app, and let's say I'm working on this. But while working on this, I noticed that there's something wrong in this test, okay? This title. Let's say maybe I want to create a different font, okay? What I can do to remember, because I don't want to switch from working from this to fix this test, okay? So what I can do, I can simply add a to do here. So we can add a to do, fix the font. Okay, so we can add this to do so that we will remember. Okay, once we are done with this one, we can go back on our code and fix it. Okay, maybe create a different font. Okay, and now if we want to search for all our to do, let's say we have a big code base. Okay, and if we want to search all of our to do, what we can do, we can simply come on this icon and search for to do. Okay, so if I search here for to do, I can see that I can retrieve my to do. Okay, but did you know that there's a better way to do this? Okay, let's see how we can do this a better way. So instead of adding this to do, what we can do, we can cut this, and here on this line we can right click, and you can see that we have this bookmark content view Swift line 13. Okay, so I can bookmark this line, or I can bookmark the whole file. Okay, so for now we will simply bookmark this line. Okay, and if I do this, you can see that we have this small icon, this small badge. Okay, this is to show us that we successfully bookmark this line. Okay, and if we want to see our bookmark, what we can do, we can simply come back on this icon, and we can see that on this tab we have this. Okay, but it does not tell us exactly what is it for. Okay, so we know that we bookmark this line, but we don't know exactly why we did it. Okay, so we actually have the possibility to add a description. Okay, so here on this description, what I can do, I can simply paste what I copied here. So to do fix the font, and if I press enter, you can see now that we have this description to do fix the font. Okay, and of course we can add more to do. Let's say for example we want to replace this Z stack. Okay, if we want to replace this Z stack after we are done working on this slide, what we can do the same thing. We can come here, right click, bookmark content view Swift line 54, we press on that, and we can also add a description. So let's do that. Add a description, we can call it to do change Z stack. Now if I press enter, we have a second bookmark. Okay, and now once we are done working on this slide, what we can do, we can simply come here and check our to do. Okay, so let's say for example we want to change this title. Maybe we don't want its title, but we want instead a large title. Okay, and let's say we are okay with this result. What we can do once we are done, we can simply come here, right click on our bookmark, and we can mark it as complete. Okay, so if we mark it as complete, what it will do, it will add this small icon. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but this small icon shows us that okay, we are done with this to do. Okay, and if we want to only see the to do that we have left, what we can do, we can come on this one, on this small icon, and if I press on this, we can see that the bookmark that was complete is gone. Okay, we only see this one. Okay, because we didn't do anything on this one. Okay, and we can also, if we also mark this as complete, we can see that now our list is empty. Okay, and if I click back here, I can see that I've completed all my to do. Okay, so this is how you can use this bookmark on Xcode. It's really useful when you have a big code base and you don't want to switch your focus. Okay, let's say you are working on something and you don't want to switch to work on something else. Okay, you can simply add your to do this way, and later on, once you are done with what you are doing, you can simply come back and check all your to do, and you can fix them one by one. Okay, now how can we delete a bookmark? Okay, in order to delete a bookmark, what we can do, we can simply come here and do a right click. If we do a right click here, you can see delete bookmark. Okay, if I hit on this delete bookmark, you can see that the bookmark is gone. Okay, and if I want to do the same for this one, I simply come here, right click, and delete bookmark. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If that's the case, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.